Hello, I'm cgian. This is a quick video to show how to add text over image in Canva. After starting Canva, we can choose the template to create a design. In this tutorial, I will choose presentation. Click it. So a presentation design page is created. Next, we can go to add image. We can click uploads and then we can find image. I have uploaded images in my database. I add the gradients color and we can adjust it, for example, something like this. And then we can add text, go to the text tool, and we can add text box. So we can type to change the text. For example, I type text over image. Next, we can select the text and then we can move to the center of the design page. The default setting is text over image. If you don't find the text, it may be the reason of the layer order. So we can click the three-dot menu and show layer and show layers here. Click it. We can change the order of layer. For example, I change the image on the top of text layer. Or we can change the text layer to the top of the image. So this is how we can add text over image in Canva. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to the channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm cgian. See you in the next video. Bye bye.